to bring change upon. Affect mostly used as a verb. If we can say affect as a noun, affects mean emotion, a state of mind, and emotion change to idea or thing. Affect as a noun, effect as a noun. As a noun, effect has two meanings. The most common is a result or a change, and second is an influence. Effect as a verb. As a verb, effect means to bring something into existence, bring about or cause. In plural, effects imply possessions. Example of affect as a verb: the rainy weather greatly affect your mood. In this sentence here, the weather has the power to influence or change your mood. Example, effect as a verb: the effect of the medication was immediate. In this sentence here, effect refers to the result of taking the medication. Did you know effect can follow these words: the, any, and, on, into, take, or effect cannot? And did you know influence, alter, change, impact, and modify are some common words that have a meaning that is similar to affect? Here is the confusing part: affect as a verb and effect as a noun. Here you can see an example: affect, action, it's a verb; effect, result, it's a noun. Now we illustrate them. Ali fired on Aston. The bullet affected the Aston body. Here you can see that one person fired on the other and the bullet affected the other person. Bullet does an action. Here you can see that bullet does an action. The effect is that Aston body falls on the ground. In that way, the Aston body falls on the ground. So here we can other see another examples of what is an affect. Affect is a verb with the following meanings. Here is different meanings of affect. First one is to act on, second to touch the feeling of, third to produce a change in, fourth to have an impact on something, and fifth to move emotionally. Affect as a noun. Affect can be used as a noun in that form it refers to the expression or observation of an emotional response. More simply stated, it refers to how a person's facial expression reveals their feelings. Examples: here you can see examples. There are two examples we are going to discuss. A person who has just won the match will have a positive, joyful affect, while a smile that reaches their eyes. Here you can see the positive and the happy feelings of the person. And the second one is a person who is depressed and lonely may have a more unhappy or flat affect with empty eyes and a downturned mouth. Affect as a noun. The effect in its noun form, an effect is a result or outcome. If we can say that effect as a noun, the meaning of the word is a result or outcome. It's a part of cause and effect relationship. We can say that cause and effect relationships coming to. Did you know while effect is more commonly used as a verb than a noun, and effect is more commonly used as a noun than a verb? Affect versus effect. We used to remember affect versus effect. First one is action and result. Second, the Ravan method, and the third, accident and emergency. Remember affect versus effect. So effect for A is action. A is for action and A is for end result. Another tricks to remember: affect versus effect, trick and tips, whatever you want to say. Ravan, remember, R, remember. A is for effect, B is a verb, E is effect, and is a noun. Here you can see that remember, affect firstly is a verb and effect is a noun. And there And the last one and tricks to remember: effect versus effect. A is for accident and A is for emergency. When you are affected by accident, the effect is an emergency. So here is the hints and tips and tricks to remember effect versus effect. Thanks for watching. Keep sharing with your friends and your family.